Hey everyone, this is the last episode in our series of how to get started and then start running on Jthereum. So in this video, we're actually going to create our first project and run our first smart contract on the Ethereum network. So without further ado, at first I created my project. The second thing that I need to do is I actually need to add Jthereum.jar file as a library. So I'm going to add it here. And this is my desktop, but you can have it on your own library. And the only thing that I need to do, I just need to add it. So as soon as it is being added, then the only thing that I need to do, I'm just going to find our smart contract so we can see the provided source. So I'm going to run very basic examples. I'm just picking between one that are there. So for instance, I'm going to use the incrementer. Then the only thing that I need to do is to add it into my source code. So we can start with the incrementer file. There we go. So now we have it. I'm just going to expand this folder now so that you can see it better. So the next thing that we need to do is simply to build the project. And once it builds, we can actually compile it. So one thing that you need to take care of is if you see the method compile and deploy right now, the blockchain name is specified as test. It means that your contract is being deployed and it's going to run on the test blockchain. You can always change it to Ropsten or mainnet. Now that the project is built, now let's run it. So what happens here is that your Java file is actually being translated into the Solidity code. Now that Solidity code is being compiled and then it's being run on the test blockchain. So that at the end, what we get, the source code for the incrementer file, it should do 2 iterations and simply count to 2. So at the end, we should receive an output message of 2. So if we do that, you can see that this is the output of the running and the out iteration 2. So we can see that now our source code written in Java has been compiled into the Solidity code, and then Solidity code has been compiled onto the blockchain and being executed there. There we go. You have already done your first smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. Thank you.